What's the meaning of Barbie doll? Barbie doll. Barbie doll.
Barbie doll. Barbie doll. A Barbie doll is a toy doll that was introduced by the American toy company Mattel in 1959. The doll is named after its creator Ruth Handler's daughter, Barbara. Barbie dolls are known for their exaggerated feminine features, slim waistline, and long legs, and have become one of the most iconic toys in the world. The dolls have evolved over the years to reflect changing fashion trends and societal ideals of beauty. However, they have also been criticized for perpetuating unrealistic beauty standards and promoting negative body image among young girls. Despite this controversy, Barbie remains a popular cultural icon and is beloved by many collectors and fans worldwide.